How to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add other story to your own story on Instagram if you are not mentioned, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now whenever you open the Instagram application, maybe someone has mentioned you, it will basically show up in your DMs tab that you can go ahead and add that and re-add them as your own story. But what if you are not mentioned in the story and that you would like to reshare the story? Well, it's actually very simple. Just open up that specific video or the specific photo over here, and let's say I want to go ahead and then just take a screenshot for this story, so I'm just going to get a screenshot for this story. Now once I've done this, even if I'm not mentioned, I can simply apply that screenshot to my own story over here by allowing all of the access this requires, and then I'll just go ahead and select that. Now if I want, I can crop this and I can simply tag that person if I want to. This is the only way to do it. If it's a photo, you can take a screenshot. If it's a video, you can do a screen recording to see if that helps. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.